So awesome, yeah. And by the way, guys, today through August 16th marks the hottest window of temperatures we see in the year. So it's not going to get any cooler. Not until late August. Hopefully in September we start to turn a corner, but that's like a month out, so we'll see what happens. Let's chat about the forecast and what to expect this upcoming week. It's going to be hot. Take a look. Here's that graphic right there. Between now and August 16th, it is the hottest time of year. Notice it is the peak right there. That's where you are. Hottest time of year between late August, or at least late July and early August, and then we start to trend down the roller coaster here in San Antonio. Dangerous heat this week. Take a look at some of the air temperatures we're forecasting between now and Friday. It's going to be hot, 103 to 104. Heat index values around 104 to 105. So not a huge spread in the air temperature and the heat index, but there is that humidity factor that does create dangerous heat out there this week. And with high pressure right overhead, it's not going to provide any relief in rain chances. Sometimes we can get an isolated downpour, an isolated shower to move in, but you can see this entire week is going to be very hot with high temperatures around 103 to 104 here in the city. Speaking of 100, that's what it was at today. Normal is 97, 2017 record of 105. Today's rain, 0. Month-to-date rainfall is 0.17, likely where we're going to end up as we wrap up the month tomorrow. Meantime, temperatures lower 90s to even lower 80s in Helotes. That's nice. 82 over there, 82 at Boerne, 89 at Hondo, and a pair of 8s over in Bandera, 95 at Pearsall, and 85 in Victoria. Here's the setup for tomorrow. Most of us underneath some level of heat advisory or heat warning from Medina County, Bexar County, up I-35 towards Austin and central and north Texas. And that means air temperatures, as you saw, 103, heat index values 105 to 106 at times tomorrow. So here's tomorrow's timeline. For your Monday, 88 at 10, 103 at 4, sunny skies, a little bit of cloud cover in the morning and late in the evening, but otherwise abundant wall-to-wall sunshine. Sunny, but again, on the hot side. Please take breaks if you are spending long durations of time outside tomorrow. Now, the sky was a little hazy today thanks to lingering dust, Saharan dust in the atmosphere. Great news. High pressure, yes, it's going to cause the heat, the dangerous heat across the area, but also it helps disperse and move and transport the dust away from us. And it looks like, based on the forecast models, a lot of it stays outside of our region for the next 5 to 7 days. That's great news, improving the air quality in the long term. But notice Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, this heat high really parked itself right over Texas, Louisiana, and for most of the South. And that's really going to create just more heat. By Friday, it may split a little bit, but you can see as it really pushes over Texas, it redirects any chance for rain for the next 7 days. As I put this in motion, rain just moves around it, and as long as we're at least near the center of it, no rain expected in the outlook for San Antonio, or for much of the region as well. Okay, tropical satellite, really quickly, we have 2 tropical waves in the Atlantic. 2 of which have, at least one of which has a pretty high chance of development. This one likely will become Tropical Storm Emily. This one, as it moves away from land, Tropical Storm Franklin. We'll see what happens, but right now, no immediate threats to land. 7-day forecast, 103 tomorrow and 104 Tuesday, likely prompting heat advisories or heat warnings. Very hot, dangerously hot for the next 7 days, as again, guys, we enter the hottest time of year here in South Central Texas.
Okay.